EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for February 11th, 2020. For your Tuesday, the same frontal boundary that was affecting the region yesterday will still be affecting the region at least this morning. Further southeast you go, the more rain you will hold on to longer. But this trend today has been to push everything out a little bit quicker. So this boundary associated with this developing low along the front, very weak, is going to be pushing this front southeast as it moves, as we move throughout the day and through time. As we get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, starting this off at 7 a.m., you can see the concentration of the showers already over the southeastern areas, maybe just some spotty drizzle in the interior. And as we move through the day here, through the morning, those scattered showers pretty much continue in the same areas, but then as we get in the afternoon, it becomes more intermittent and then shuts off later in the afternoon, and we just remain mostly cloudy here at that point. We'll say mostly cloudy in the interior, cloudy further southeast. With those clouds and showers around, and we're going to have the opportunity for mostly cloudy skies overnight, but no precipitation is expected as this front continues off to the south and east, and then colder temperatures will be, at least marginally colder, will be coming into the region on Wednesday. This isn't going to be really cold. Actually, it's still going to be technically slightly above average for this time of year on Wednesday, but we will be colder than we will be today, with temperatures getting up to near 50 or into the lower 50s across the region today. Tomorrow is going to be about 10 degrees colder or thereabout. And then on Wednesday night, we have another system coming at the region. So partly to mostly cloudy on Wednesday, maybe start off with a little bit more sun early on, and then mostly cloudy in the afternoon as the clouds continue to increase. Then we have this system coming in, and they'll come in during the evening, and we'll have an onset wintry side to this. I don't think it's going to be that great. I know the GFS is indicating it's a little further south here. I don't think that is. I think it's going to be generally north of I-78 that we're talking about here for any frozen precipitation that we may be dealing with. So I think it's just going to be primarily brief at the onset, just along I-78 or just north of it, and then it goes over to rain very quickly. But you may get into some minor accumulations of snow and ice up near I-80. So very similar to what we had on Sunday night for those same areas. We'll narrow that down with maps as needed as we get a little bit closer. But it looks like you just have that period overnight where you have that onset overrunning precipitation where the temperatures are colder, that you can get some snow and ice, especially up near I-80 and northern Pennsylvania. This will change to rain everywhere by Thursday morning if it isn't already changed over by then, and then will end on Thursday morning, and then the system pulls away. After that point, we have a very cold trough coming in here for Friday and Saturday, and very strong high pressure sitting over the northeast U.S. So with this trough in place, we're going to have some very cold temperatures, and temperatures will not get above freezing in most of our interior locations here, both Friday and Saturday, and then maybe middle 30s further south and east, both Friday and Saturday, but still very cold and colder than average for the first time in a long time. The only thing is with that is that we're only talking about a transient shot of cold for Valentine's Day and then Saturday. So after that, we have a system coming at us on Wednesday, and lo and behold, before the system comes in, we warm up sufficiently to get just mainly a rain event out of this. Again, the GFS is playing games here with some frozen precipitation. We'll continue to monitor that, but I think we're favoring this being primarily a rain event, more so than we'll see on Wednesday night. But we'll see how that works out, because the temperatures on Saturday or Sunday during the day will get up into the 40s when that precipitation comes in. So I'm not really seeing much cold air, especially with a lack of a high pressure to the north to keep that cold air in place. So primarily just expecting this to be a rain event, but we'll continue to cross that bridge when we get there and get new information throughout the week. I'm just hedging bets right now. This will be primarily a rain event at this point. This front moves through on Sunday night with rain showers. If it does start off as frozen precipitation, it would change over to rain as well on Sunday night before ending, and then back to partly cloudy skies and mild temperatures here on Monday. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for February 11th, 2020. Have a great Tuesday.